Today, I'll guide you through Spotify's new AI DJ feature and show you how to use it step by step. Before we begin, please leave a like if you find this helpful. On February 22nd, Spotify unveiled DJing, an AI-powered personalized DJ function. Our Spotify music experience has already been improved with Discover Weekly and Wrapped, but the DJ option goes even further. Spotify uses artificial intelligence (AI) to understand our musical tastes and select tracks for the DJ to play accordingly. DJing not only chooses songs we might enjoy, but it also offers its realistic voice commentary on songs and singers. The DJing function mostly plays recently released music that the AI thinks we might like, as well as some of our all-time favorite older tunes. DJing receives support from OpenAI and Sonantic for AI and speech technology, respectively. Before opening the app, ensure you have updated Spotify to the latest version, since this feature is only available on the newest update. You can update the app by accessing the Play Store or App Store and clicking on Update for Spotify. Once you've updated the app, open Spotify to access the DJing feature in the music section. Click on the play button to begin using DJing. If you can't find the feature, it may be because DJing is currently in beta and is only available in a few countries like the United States and Canada. Unfortunately, if you don't live in either of these countries, you won't be able to use DJing yet. But don't worry, Spotify will make feature available in other countries after the beta version. That's it! You now know how to use Spotify's AI DJ feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please like the video and consider subscribing to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.